Herbal medicine is the knowledge, skills, and practices based on the theories, beliefs, and experiences indigenous to different cultures used in the maintenance of health and the prevention, diagnosis, improvement, or treatment of physical and mental illness, according to WHO. Since the dawn of time, humans have always used herbs in preparing and cooking food to treat illness and for wound healing. However, after the emergence of modern medicine, the use of medicinal plants have been declining, especially in developed countries. Nevertheless, the practice of using herbs to treat disease was not entirely forgotten or lost, as some rural places have continued to cultivate them. Nowadays, incorporating herbs in daily life for good health and well-being is rising internationally. The statistics displays that approximately 80% of people around the world tend to use herbs or natural products to heal illnesses. Moreover, in some countries, herbal medicine is part of the healthcare system. Hello everyone, I'm Vivian Benjamin. I'm a registered nurse, registered nutritionist, and the founder of Nutrition Takes. Today in Nutrition Takes video channel, I'm going to talk to you about lemongrass, the aromatic healer. Cymbopogon, or as it is commonly called lemongrass, is an aromatic perennial grass belonging to the family Poaceae. This plant is cultivated predominantly in the tropics and subtropics of Asia, Africa, and America. Lemongrass grows as tall grass, having rhizomes and densely tufted fibrous roots. It has a green, slightly leathery leaf that appears in dense clusters on short underground stems. The name Cymbopogon comes from the Greek words chyme, which is boat, and pogon, which is beard in English, referring to the flower spike shape. As the name spells it, this medicinal herb has a lemon scent and is used in cooking and essential oil. Lemongrass essential oil is crucial in manufacturing perfumes, soaps, and detergents. Furthermore, lemongrass herb leaves can be used in rejuvenating herbal teas, whereas the stems can be used in curries, soups, fish and meat products as flavoring. So let's find out how this aromatic healer can nurture your body from the inside. Number 1. Relieves cough and nasal congestion. Cough and nasal congestion can happen to anyone and is a common minor illness. It normally occurs during seasonal changes in many countries or when the weather is too hot or cold. Lemongrass is an effective medicinal herb that fights against cough and nasal congestion. Number 2. Promotes healthy digestion. Digestion is a vital process that takes place in your body. This body function helps the body absorb nutrients to improve health and well-being. In one of my previous articles, I talked about gut health and how you can nourish your gut. Lemongrass is a medicinal herb that encourages good digestion and keeps your gut healthy. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a main public health concern globally. Presently, the hike in the prevalence of chronic diseases such as diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and cancer is due to poor diet and lifestyle factors. Lemongrass contains anti-inflammatory effects that can prevent chronic diseases. Number 4. Antioxidant properties. Free radical damages the cells inside your body and increases the risk of several health issues. For instance, rheumatoid arthritis, arteriosclerosis, and muscle destruction. Lemongrass consists of antioxidant benefits that offer protection to your body against the destruction by free radicals. Number 5. decrease glucose and cholesterol levels. High glucose levels increase the risk of diabetes. Similarly, high cholesterol levels raise the chance of developing heart disease. Lemongrass can reduce glucose and cholesterol levels. Not only this medicinal herb can be used as a prevention for the disease, but it also can help regulate both glucose and cholesterol levels after contracting the illness. Number 6. Antihypertensive properties. Recently, several studies have proven that lemongrass can decrease high blood pressure. Thanks to its diuretic effect, which assists in the excretion of excess fluid and sodium levels in the body through urine, it is linked with the reduction of high blood pressure. Now that you know how lemongrass can nurture your body from the inside, let's dive a little bit deeper into how this medicinal herb can nurture your body from the outside. Number 1. Alleviate anxiety and relieve stress. Medicinal plants from the family Poaceae are highly cultivated for their scent and used as essential oils. Lemongrass essential oil not only protects your skin from microbial and fungal activities, but also helps reduce anxiety and stress. It is commonly used in aromatherapy, one of the holistic interventions to encourage health and well-being. Massages combined with scent therapy have displayed promising results to decrease anxiety and alleviate stress. Number 2. Used as the mouthwash. Your mouth is exposed to bacterial activities because of the food and drinks you consume daily. Not caring for your oral health leads to plaque formation and bacterial growth inside the teeth, resulting in dental cavities and bad breath. Thanks to its antimicrobial properties, lemongrass is widely used as a mouthwash. Number 3. Insect repellent. Apart from using lemongrass essential oil in aromatherapy, this essential oil can work wonders when it is massaged into your skin. Lemongrass essential oil tends to suppress larval growth, therefore can be used as an insect repellent. Several studies have concluded that lemongrass can protect against mosquitoes, fleas, and ticks. Number 4. Effective against nausea. Nausea is feeling the urge to vomit. It usually goes away by itself. Generally, nausea is caused by food poisoning, headache or migraine, heartburn, and pregnancy. Numerous studies have shown promising outcomes of lemongrass as an alternative medicine for nausea. However, it is not safe to be consumed by pregnant mothers. The role of medicinal herbs play an essential factor in treating general health and preventing diseases. Alternative medicine or herbal medicine has always been a central part of human lives in the past and present. It is also widely practiced and encouraged by healthcare professionals. Cymbopogon or lemongrass is an aromatic healer that can nourish your body from the inside and outside. This herb can be consumed as a refreshing tea, used for flavoring food, essential oils, and many more. So start adding this power herb into your daily health practice now and enjoy the benefits. Share in the comment section below if you already use lemongrass in your cooking and how you use it. If you have never heard of or used lemongrass, be sure to incorporate it now and let me know your journey. I would love to hear from you all. Also, if you like this video, please do click the like button. Thank you.